In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best wire stripping machines available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the wire stripping machines list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the wire stripping machines mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Double Drive Wire Stripper Machine for Scrap Wire. This wire stripping machine is designed for efficiently stripping scrap wire with a thickness range of 1 to 22 mm. Built for durability, it features a double drive system that maximizes performance and precision. Ideal for recycling leftover cables, this stripper tool enables quick and easy removal of wire insulation, making it suitable for both home and industrial use. Its ergonomic design allows comfortable handling, ensuring prolonged use without fatigue. Number 4, Manual Wire Stripping Pliers for Scrap Copper. This portable manual wire stripping tool is a practical solution for household cable stripping needs. With its lightweight design and easy-to-use crank mechanism, it's perfect for stripping copper wire for recycling. Suitable for small DIY projects or home repairs, this tool offers convenience with its compact design and reliable performance in removing wire insulation quickly and effectively. Number 3, VEVOR Manual Wire Stripping Machine. The VEVOR manual wire stripping machine features a sturdy aluminum frame and can handle wire diameters between 11.5 mm and 38 mm, making it highly versatile for cable scrap copper recycling. This portable machine is ideal for heavy-duty stripping tasks, with an efficient wire peeler mechanism that ensures smooth operation. It's durable and easy to transport, ideal for use in various work environments. Number 2, Porous Wire Stripping Machine for Scrap Copper. This manual automatic wire stripper is designed for high-efficiency stripping of scrap copper and cable wire. With its multi-hole design, it supports various wire sizes, ensuring versatility and precision. Suitable for both small and large-scale recycling, it offers a durable construction for long-lasting use and minimal maintenance, enhancing productivity for any stripping task. Number 1, Manual Automatic Wire Stripping Machine. This premium wire stripper is an automatic tool capable of handling wire sizes between 3 to 21 mm or up to 30 square mm made from alloy steel. It's designed for durability and precision, featuring a sharp peeling blade for effortless cable insulation removal. Ideal for recycling copper cables, this machine streamlines the stripping process, making it quick and efficient for any professional or DIY user.